With FlowForma Copilot, building a process flow has never been easier. Whether you prefer a text prompt, an uploaded diagram, or even voice input, Copilot instantly generates a structured workflow. Just enter your prompt and click Generate, and watch your process take shape in seconds. Once your workflow is generated, take a moment to review the structure. If everything looks good, click Build to bring it to life, transforming it from an idea into an actionable process. Now let's take a deeper look. Expand each section to explore the questions that Copilot has suggested. These are designed to guide your process seamlessly. If you need adjustments, customization is quick and intuitive with FlowForma. Now let's define the logic. Click Edit Conditions to set specific triggers. These conditions will determine when and how certain actions should be applied. Next, map out the corresponding actions that should take place once the conditions are met. When you're happy with the setup, click OK to apply the logic and make your process flow even more intelligent. Once everything is set, click Save to securely store your customized workflow. Now, your process is structured, automated, and ready to go. Before finalizing, let's run a quick test. Click Test Form to experience how the form functions in real time, ensuring that everything works as expected. At the top, you'll see the full digital onboarding process for contractors, built in just moments using FlowForma Copilot. This is just one example of how effortlessly you can transform simple instructions into a fully dynamic, automated workflow, ready to streamline your operations like never before.